Hey guys, the RingConn Smart Ring is officially available, and the ring is a great way for you to track your different daily activities, your heart rate, your different health features, and more. But the biggest question in most people's mind is, how do I get the perfect ring for my finger? How can I get a ring that's going to fit my finger perfectly? Luckily, RingConn has the solution. And when you order this ring, when you buy this ring, or when you order the ring, the first thing the company is going to do is to send you the sizing kit, which this is it right here. It comes with all the 9 sizes with a pamphlet on how to use it. And here we got the sizes from 6 right up to 14. So this is the biggest one. This is huge. And this is the smallest. I think the smallest would be great for people who like to put their ring on this pinky finger right here, because the smallest, no, it doesn't even get to my pinky finger. Let's see, the 7. Yeah, the 7 will fit well on my pinky finger. Yeah, that's it. Or you can go with 14. Oh my God, 14 even cannot fit my middle finger or my thumb. Nah, it's too big. 14 is the biggest. Yeah, so there are different sizes from 6 right up to 14. So the first thing to do is to decide on which finger you want to be wearing the ring on. For me, I'll be wearing the ring on this finger right here. And the size that goes well with that finger, or that fits perfectly well, is size 10. And when you put it on, it's going to be like this. Not too tight, not too loose, just perfect. So this finger. So once you decide on which finger you want to put the ring on, you have to use the sizing kit for at least a day. Put it on for at least a day to be very comfortable and to decide that, yes, this is a finger I want the ring to be on. And to decide that, yes, the size 10 is the perfect size. So you have to make that decision, then get back to the company and inform the company about the size that you want and the color, because the ring comes in 3 colors. You have gold, black, and silver. So that's the process, guys. That's how you choose the perfect ring, the perfect RingConn for your finger. So you'll be able to have the perfect information, because a ring, the smart ring has sensors, and you want the sensors to have a great contact with your skin. So having the perfect size for the finger is the key. So that's how you choose the perfect size for your finger. And as you can see, mine is here, size 10, and I got it in gold. Yeah, and the full videos of this ring unboxing and my full review about the RingConn, I'll drop the link in the description below. Check the description below for the full review and full unboxing of the RingConn.